Well, good morning, wherever you may be. I want to welcome you out to Jay's Learning School. I am your host, Jay, and I want to thank you so much for watching today's video where I help you to speak better English. On today's lesson, I'm going to quickly teach you about the phrase to spill the beans. To spill the beans. So let's get into it. But before we do, if you're not a subscriber, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel so you can receive updates on my weekly videos. So, to spill the beans is a term that means to tell a secret or to reveal important information about something or someone. Again, to tell a secret or reveal important information. Now, with that definition, when someone spills the beans, it says that they have a big mouth or they like to gossip. So you don't want to tell something that's a secret or something that's very important to a person that you may think will spill the beans. Let's look at a few examples to help you practice throughout your day. Uh, Here's a sentence: put the pressure on her and she will spill the beans. There's some people that if you question them, if you press them, they will spill the beans. It does not matter how important the information is. Put the pressure on certain people and they'll break down and tell you what you want to know. Let's go to another example. Don't tell her about the money because she will spill the beans. Have you ever met someone on the job or in your family? If you tell them about some money, they're going to put your business in the street or they will spill the beans. Here's another example of how you could use spill the beans. He accidentally spilled the beans about his wife's pregnancy. So the wife and the husband agreed that they wouldn't tell anyone. But what did the husband do? He let the secret out or he spilled the beans. Another way that you could use the term spill the beans, you let the cat out of the bag, or you're saying someone cannot hold water. These are phrases that also mean to spill the beans. So if you have learned something on today and you have enjoyed today's video, please leave me a like, subscribe, and share today's video. And let me know down in the comments section how you would use the phrase to spill the beans. Hey, I appreciate you taking time to watch today's video. Join me on my next episode right here on Jay's English Learning School. Have a great day.